Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Esme, but you guys can call me Lali. I usually do of a more wearable makeup look or how-tos, but for today I was feeling a little bit inspired by all these colorful artists. They're so amazing. For today I'm gonna be doing some rainbowish paint dripping. I'm thinking just doing kind of like half of my face and the rest would be just like normal skin color. I'm not gonna be talking through this video just because it's gonna be, repetitive, and but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, so let's get started. It was really hard to do just because I didn't have a good white base. And then also these little face paints that I got at Walmart, some of them were a little dry. They were really difficult to work with. Like I said, I'm not a face paint artist. I do more of a makeup, like regular makeup looks. So this was a challenge actually for me because I have never tried this before. But I mean, it was really fun. using like all these many colors, trying to mix them up so that, you know, it could look like a rainbow. I wish I had better things to work with so that, you know, it doesn't look like so patchy, but I mean, I tried my best, and yeah, it was just you know, something new for me. But you know, in the makeup industry, you have to keep experimenting, keep trying new things, and then also just playing, having fun with what you have. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoy watching me creating this look, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. Also follow me on Instagram at Lalis Rodriguez for makeup ideas and, you know, things like this. Alright, thank you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you till next one. Bye. My husband is here.